Hey gang, AV here. Just got this package in the mail recently. This is, I believe, one of the comic book Kickstarters I backed. Which one exactly? I'm not entirely sure, quite frankly. But you should know by now by reading the video description. So anyhow, I decided to back a couple of the comic book Kickstarters earlier this year. Just because I thought it was a cool concept, you know. Give some of these fledgling creators a chance to get their stuff out there. And usually, you know, the independent stuff sometimes is a little bit more creative, so definitely worth a look. Getting kind of bored with the typical stuff in recent years anyway. So, looking a little outside the box. How the hell? Speaking of boxes, how the hell do I open this one? It's not your typical Gemini mailer. This did come from overseas, which kind of gives me an idea of which one it may have been. Although, again, I'm not 100% sure. But we shall see. I think it's here. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, it's definitely there, but I don't want to damage the books by opening the box. Okay. Okay, we've gained access to the inside. Okay. If I'm able to find it, I will actually put a link to the this company's website in the video description. And you should check out the video description anyway, because I got my Shortboxed stuff in there and the links to all my social media and stuff like that. So, but anyway, if I can think about it and if I can find it, I'll put you guys a link in there. All right, got it open. All right, here's some swag on the back of this book here. This is Blam and Glam. So I've got some stickers, a card, a print. Here's issue number 3 for Blam and Glam. Nice looking book. Condition looks nice. All right. Issue number 2. Okay. And looks like 2 copies of issue number 1. Which looks a little bit more risque, but still not that risque that I need a post-it note. So again, 2 copies of that. So anyway, this was a quick unboxing. I got the first 3 issues of that story. I'll start reading that and let you know what I think in the comments section. And that's it. Just a quick little unboxing video. Short and quick for your Wednesday afternoon. If you like this video, check out my channel where you'll find a whole bunch of other comic book and action figure based content. If you like what you see there, then please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.